Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zipson. Welcome back to Monster Train 2. Alright, I want to do one more run of picking the starting leader, and then I want to go back to the rotate the leader rotation. So, who got... Oh, I know what I want to do. I want to do Soul Guard. And we can play Soul Guard with, like... I've done Awoken 3 times in a row. What do I not have Soul Guard beat it with? Don't have Pyreborn. Don't have Hellhorn. Yeah, sure, let's do Hellhorn. I want to check out the line where the incant, the new Titan channel line, because it looks really interesting. This is what I want to do. All right. Ooh, Pyre of Savagery. Interesting. We are fighting Savagery today with Archean, Pyre Hunter Archean, and Spike Scale. We have Pyre of Savagery with Helical Crystallis, Hidden Passage, and Branded Warrior. Alrighty, yeah, interesting setup. Attuned Whetstone is what I will click on here. I do not feel like, oh god. Man. Oh well. Maybe next time. Oh well, I think Dire Channel looks dire here, so I will click on Cold Channel. Maybe you can do some like armor scaling with. I'm doubtful because like you're gonna want to do armor scaling, and then Savagery is gonna walk up and one-shot your guy. Maybe I can play a Branded run today. I do like Branded. Maybe I can force the unit that isn't very good. We'll see where this run develops. We'll see how this one develops. We'll see. There's a small chance I'm just gonna be... I think I need to be trying to eliminate these guys. So I need to probably save my HP. Brandon will get a lot of slay triggers here. In fact, I probably should move you to up a floor so we can continue to capitalize on that rage. But my Soul Guard is sadly gonna is looking very low here. And Soul Guard stole a kill, bummer. Okay, thank God I'm actually killing. Oh my God, wait, he keeps missing the slay. Oh, fucking, why? This isn't like a Doom Seed, is it? Oh my God. Bro, what? Okay, that wasn't played. Shit. I might need to play bottom. I might, due to what I've done here, I might need to opt for bottom floor. And then like, oh, yuck. Okay. I'm gonna play like one card down here. So I at least have I need one Frostbite going down on this floor. Oh my God, what do I actually... Oh my God, I actually don't know what I'm supposed to do here. The boss is gonna come in and one-shot me. Bro. Bro, what do I do? Oh my God, did I just kill myself? I think I just killed myself. Oh my God, I might have just killed myself with this trial. Why did I think I was strong? Oh my God. What am I doing, man? I have no HP here. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to be, like, actually eliminating, like... Oh my god, this fight is, why is this first fight so stressful, man? Oh my god. Okay, I think I also need to be like eliminating these cursed guys. Jesus, man. I gotta be like this. No, I actually, you can't kill that guy. I need to spend a torch on you. I need to spend this here. I need a hidden passage you, probably. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. My guy just, he's dead. You're dead. Solgar's dead. What am I supposed to do? Can't have the frostbite make a difference? Yeah, right. Fucking yeah, right, man. Oh my god. Please tell me you're getting. Oh my god. Bro. Actually, like, crazy. Alright, huh. Well, I guess I get that Dire channel run now. Alright, wow. Huh. I guess you're just not supposed to click that trial there, but yeah, that looks... I definitely killed myself with that trial. I am not playing Monster Train 2 very well, huh? It would seem. Alright, we are instead playing Entropy here with Rage Archean and Lifesteal Kale. We have Pyre of Entropy with Energy Siphon, Hornbreak, and Nameless Siren. Alright, let's see this. Gurg's Goad. Oh, man. How tempting. This actually, there's a chance this is bait. Like, dead ass. There's a chance that this is actually bait. Because what if I'm supposed to take... Jackstraps actually is like really good against Entropy. And there's a chance I'm just gonna do like, I'm just gonna play Sirens in this run. I do love Gurg's Goad. I don't want to do Gurg's Goad. Like, give me Goad. Ah, here we go. Finally, we can do the real. We can do the real fucking. There's fucking Titan channel. Good God. God damn, man. Where have you been? -1 energy. I mean, most of my deck already costs 0, so like honestly, like, who cares? Me, I should probably care. Because not carrying that last fight got me, like, turbo killed. That shit got me turbo murdered. Make sure you're playing out this whole hand. Nice. So, now we're playing the new Solgard. Now, maybe actually, dying there was actually part of my plan. I bet you didn't realize. I wanted to do a run with the new Solgard. So with every one of the... let me actually read what this guy does. So Solgard is now Resurgence. Remove stasis and gain 6 attack, 6 HP per shard. So you're supposed to build up a bunch of shards on Solgard while he's incubating. And then you're able to... And then you need to release him. Now, previous Titan channel was like... they will just kill Solgard, huh? Alright, release yourself. Damn! That is... Wow, that's a lot of stats. 90-90. Previously it was 60-60. That's very interesting. Cool. Very cool. Let's take Crystallis here. And then, oh god, Ritual of Battle seems really nice. If we're gonna be playing with Hellhorn units, oh fuck, am I playing with Hellhorn units? But I want to use Gurg Goad. But I want to use Gurd's Goad. You know? Yeah, take me over here. Let's do it. Be something cool. Deranged Brute! That's pretty cool! Multi-strike Deranged Brute. I think that's pretty cool. I like that. Alright. Slam down a -1 on this. I'm happy to put like a bit of... nah, I'm gonna save my money. Bummer. I'll put a -2 consume on a Crystallis. It's fine. So, very curious setup you have here. Very intriguing. Do I think I could take this? I gotta think about Mark of Invasion now, because, like, taking Mark of Invasion back there did kill that one run. Did kill the run at the start of this video. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Don't even worry about it. Okay, look at this guy, Deranged Brute. Arrgh. That's what he sounds like. He's like, Arrgh. I'm gonna die here. I shouldn't can't. I was thinking about it for a second. What if I just played Calcified Ember? No. Let's take... Oh, God, fuck, it's Haste Fight. Gulp. It seems like I might have to release him early here. I'm gonna take some damage from this. It would seem. Okay, give me my big attack. Crystallis is good. I think that's basically it. You know what? Give me, if you want to give me something here, game, give me, oh God, I really need more rage. Please do not bottom deck the Ritual of Battle here. That would really suck. Thank you. Oh, I was winning it anyway, actually. Alright. Seems very curious. All of this looks bad. I'll take another Ritual Battle though. That's appealing. It's appealing. One of these paths, here. Then why am I thinking? Why am I thinking about which one of those paths? The answer's obvious. If I play Holdover here, actually Holdover into Pyre of Entropy specifically is actually pretty good. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Guarantees I have enough damage. I'll reroll here for a -1. On the other ritual. We're definitely taking energy here. Ethereal. Oh my fuck. 2 deranged brutes. Let me in. Let me in. Yeah, this is probably good. One of these guys having Wrath. That's probably really good. Oh my god. You're so... Yo, what if I just throw 2 of these guys on a floor? Double Deranged Brute. And then Rage equals like 50 billion. I mean, it actually might be good, but unfortunately, there's a very big problem with this idea. I have no health. I have literally no HP. And to do this, I'm putting like Soul Guard on another. This looks bad. Oh, but like, look at how high the attack is. Oh yeah, wait, it's this guy. Oops. That is Rage Archean. Rage Archean. I should refrain from this. Wow, this doesn't look very good. Alright, I need to stop fucking I need to stop fucking messing around. So what it needs to probably end up being is that I need to play middle floor here, and then I play one deranged brute down here. Or no, up here. And I just need to incant. Although actually killing this floor might be useful. But I think I just need I feel like I just need, like... Oh, God. Okay, I need to play this. Oh, Deranged Brute is living. Oh, that makes this... My brain... Deranged Brute was dying. Okay, Deranged Brute living that turn makes things vastly more simple. I can hold out for another turn here. So, if you want to get the same Soul Guard as last time, you need to build 10 shards. Alright, yeah, let us unleash ourselves. Unleash ourselves onto this world. I really hope we'll win. The Deranged Brute is hitting for a lot. If I want to guarantee this, I probably need a Horn Break you. Yeah, because then... Yeah, okay. That is guaranteed. In fact, I think that was the only way to guarantee this. I think I would be dead here. There we go. Alright, Deranged Brute smacked for a lot there. Went in heavy there. More Rage is probably good. This is also a 0-cost incant. So good. Energy is what I need here. So let's look over here. Let's hope we find some good stuff. I don't really want Titanite. I will take a Smidge Stone here. Because then I can play 2 of these brutes on the floor together. And then I think I put 20 HP on... I think we have a tiny small brute here that I toss 20 HP onto. Gain 10. Wow. Wowie. I'm gonna be real. I don't want to dupe no, I'll dupe Dark Deal. Dark Deal's pretty good. I think. I hope. I have a decent amount of HP here. Very questionable. Oh, damn it. I put HP on the wrong guy. I wanted this guy to... fuck me. I put HP on the... I wanted this guy to hold HP. Oh my god, I'm making so many mistakes here. Oh, it's not great. I'm not playing. It is very late. Thorn Guard. Maybe. I think I'll pass. I think I'll actually just pass. But I have like no money here. Oh god. What floor am I playing on here? Well, why do they make that sound? why do they make that sound? Why do they sound like that? Why do you sound like that? I'm just gonna use this on my own guy. Give me more incants, please. Did a rich. So I should probably be like actually spreading my rage amongst the 2 of these because rage is worth a lot here, so I don't really think I lose out on a ton. Oh my god, this Soul Guard line is actually kind of crazy. The Soul Guard becomes huge. If we're able to like edge like good word to use. If you're able to, like, edge this Soul Guard and, like, keep him in the contraption for a while, he gets very large. You only need to, like, release him when you absolutely have to. And our damage is looking very nice. Yeah, let's see this. Release. Yo. That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. Ah, shit. I missed the ritual battle. I think I win this fight without even without it. I think I'll be fine. I would like to pick up some more utilities in this run. Something like a board clear, or like maybe a lot of rage. That's a good amount of rage. Although I am dealing a lot of damage to my guys with that, aren't I? Alright. Good fight, good fight. Smashed his head into a little pulp. Crystalline Seed is okay. It's actually quite good for entropy. Branding Right is also fine. Branding Right is also probably fine. I need to go here. Guild marker is pretty good. Let me purchase stuff from the shop. I think I just put another cost down on that, and I can spell chain. I don't think it's spell chain dark deal. Titan Sentry Act. Honestly, Titan Sentry is actually good into entropy. It stalls the first waves. He probably dies like immediately, but he's very good against like a couple of entropy waves. So yeah, he can. I'm actually very down to let him tag along. Okay, cool. It's actually looking kind of neat. No more funny business. We're locking in. Get down here, Titan Sentry. Alright. Lots of rage. Lots of pogs. So, I think old Soul Guard was like 10-10. Or no, like 100-100 at Titan Channel 2. So it does seem like the consistent theme is that if you want to get to like the old level, you have to play 10, you have to incant 10 times. Very interesting. Big rage, big doinks, crystalline seeds, free incant. Come on. Ah. You disappoint me, Foregone Power. I really like greeting. It feels fun to be greedy with this Soul Guard path. Die, fool. Do not steal my incants. I will be very unhappy about it. Yeah, I can just chill. I can just like chill here. Get as big of a Soul Guard as I can get. All right, now it's time. It's definitely now it's time to unleash the Soul Guard. Now it's his time. Release. Okay, this line actually sick. This new Titan channel actually like super cool. This feels really fun to play. Ooh, Soul Guard enjoyers rise up. Yeah, this looks actually super cool. I was a bit skeptical of this Titan channel line. Honestly, like when I saw it in the patch notes, I was a bit skeptical of it. But it's seeming pretty cool so far. Frenzied Swarm is very good. Especially with, like, Pyre of Entropy, we can, like, discard a whole hand of... I'm going here, yeah. Discard a... Ooh, multi-strike? Yeah, I think I am. I think I am supposed to. We can discard a whole hand of Vengeful Shards. Swift Steel Dagger is, like, really good. I probably should take this. Give this deck a lot of options it can play with. Because we're drawing a bunch of cards with, since we're playing Pyre of Entropy, so idealistically, you just have a very big deck with lots of value to offset the curses. Alright. Let's see, so this Soul Guard has been cool so far. However, it's now time to play bottom floor. This is a fight I do not think I can win on the top floor. No rage is scary. You thankfully actually manage it, but I'm gonna need a little bit of rage here in a second game. There we go. I'm pretty sure I do just toss it all onto you. Wait, you're the one without multi-strike, huh? That might not be right. So I could just release Soul Guard here, but again, like, I don't need to release Soul Guard, so like I can wait. Ooh, very good hand. This is everything I want. I do want to play Branding right here. But actually not play Frenzied Swarm here? I guess I don't. I suppose I don't. Very interesting. And this fight doesn't do a lot of damage, actually. If you're, like, if you're killing them, this fight doesn't put up a lot of damage numbers. Okay, now I'm going to have to release the beast. Actually, how? No, I don't need to yet. How fun. I'm trying to see if I'm trying to see if I can relentless kill this guy. I have one more chance next turn. Okay, now I have to release him. I like this. This is the Edge Soul Guard build. Alright, come on out, Soul Guard. Get on out of here. Oh, why did you go back to the bottom floor? Oh, my pre-relentless kill. Oh, bummer. Alright. Have it your way. Let's just Frenzied Swarm this hand. Now I'm sad. Now I'm sad and disappointed in shit. Siren Song, Pyrobound. At the start of combat, ascend non-boss enemy units onto this floor and apply Daze 3. Probably not. One Horn's Tome is not bad. Honestly, I just kind of want to click. I like clicking on a bunch of cards here with Pyre of Entropy, and I kind of just want to see what this does. Definitely you go here. You want more magic upgrades. So, Intrinsic is meh. Oh yeah, I forgot they upgraded Freestone. Or they buffed Freestone, now it gives -1. I still don't really think I want it that much. Guess give this here. Honestly, I actually like giving Remove Consume to Crystalline Seeds here. In fact, I like giving Holdover to it instead. It's really good into Entropy. It's like really, really good. And I will take a second Ritual of Battles, please. 15, 15 attack and 15 health per shard. Oh, this fight looks bad. Oh, this is like a really hard fight to set up bottom floor on. Or sorry, set up top floor on, because it's the evil nasty man. It's the evil nasty man, Mr. Rax. Hold on, wait. I need to put quick on the right. I need to put quick on the 3 multi-strike guy. Kill you. I really want a branding right here. You discard the Vengeful Shard. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm betrayed. I feel betrayed. No, do I actually feel betrayed? I don't know if I do. In some... Good God, Ritual of Battle. Oh my God. You see how much attack this thing's giving me? Good Lord. Great Jesus. This is actually 100 attack a stack. Or a 100 attack a card. My God. My goodness. Oh, the damn humanity. Why did you... Look, ugh, whatever. I don't care at this point. Crystalline Seeds. Oh yeah, Crystalline Seed also kills the Deafening Heralds. And they get past Spell Shield here. It's a really good anti-entropy tool. I like it a lot. Oh, this kills you now. Nice. They buffed Hornbreak, so it does 8 damage twice. So it actually kills the 15 HP healer dudes. Wonderful news. That's excellent. Great to hear. Crystalline seed. Crystalline these fools. These guys ain't getting past us. Let's be honest with ourselves. Or they need to be honest with themselves. They're not getting past me. You know, I put Frenzy Swarm in this build, and that's the first time I've actually played it. How strange. Oh my God, the attack. Oh my goodness gracious. This man is hitting. This guy only has 105 rage, but he's hitting like he has fucking 50 billion. Beauty of this unit. And I did save Soul Guard like till the last second here. I don't even need Soul Guard. Soul Guard who? Soul Guard, tap this one out, pal. You don't need to comment. You don't need to see this. Honestly, I don't hate a second Frenzied Swarm. This is good at keeping you alive. Okay. Seems alright. Where am I going here? You know what I could do, actually? I could go here. I have the energy for this. I can make the Swift Steel Dagger deployable. I can't combine a Void Armament onto it. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But oh, that's merge equipment. I can make this bad boy deployable, and then I can actually dupe them. Now both my guys have. Now both my like massive attack dudes have quick. Unbroken Horn. No. Ancient Fire Tab actually. Yeah, I'll pick it up. Sigiled Seaweed. Do I actually need this for... Yeah, it's good. I think it's good enough for the Titans. Making the first turn on the Titans weaker is, like, actually important for this deck. I think it actually matters. I have a 42 card deck. By God. I have sure clicked on a lot of things today. I do very... good. Both of these guys being quick makes me very happy. So happy I could jump. I am not supposed to play this. This will send them on the floor and, like, render my job moot. Okay, I'm very happy to daze him here. This I am happy about. Boom, boom. Good job. Great fucking job, great fucking work at drawing what I needed. I need to horn break you, which is a little bit scary, but probably not actually, because I'm probably killing everything. Nice. So 14, I'm happy with 14 here. And I get to build a little bit more. Actually, I probably don't need to care about incanting this fight. Oh, honesty. Yeah, because, like, these guys died. They're dead. These guys are dead. Oh, wait. No, I think I should be fine. I'm totally getting a little bit close here with all this incanting, because my attack isn't quite as high as I need it to be. But it seems like I am okay. Crystalline Seeds, all of you fools. Okay, 500 attack on this guy is what you need. Seems correct. And now I think oh no, I can wait one more turn. I can wait one more turn because I drew Frenzied Swarm here. I can wait one more turn. Then we can unleash the Master. God fucking damn it. Is it cheap? Maybe a little bit. Oh, wait, no, this doesn't actually kill you. Shit. Okay, wait, no, now I actually need to break you out of containment here. Damn. Alright. Oh, well. Get out of there. Only a 300... Only a 300 and... only a 360, 365. How paltry. That's a fun word. Ah, damn it. I think I win this. I'm pretty sure I win from here. This guy actually walks past me because I don't have enough hits on this floor. Curious. Should I just incant that floor? Oh, shit. Okay, I'm still hitting for a lot of attack. Oh, they don't actually, how it works, these guys don't actually mute my ability to gain more attack from rage. Interesting. I am pretty sure I win these. Attack did not get as high. I only scaled 15 rage on this guy. That's strange. Thought I'd scale a little bit more. Where did all the rage go? We'll never know. I suppose we'll never know where it went. Alright. So far, This Soul Guard line has been feeling really good. Now I'm curious to see how this faces up against the Titans. I think with Sigiled Seaweed blocking the corruption for a turn, blocking his corruption for a turn, Dominions, I should be fine. I might need to like unleash pretty early. Oh, let me fucking set up these units correctly, by the way. I can get this Train Steward out of the deck if I just like do this correctly. There we go. Definitely need to set up top floor in this fight. I don't think there's a way you don't. Okay. I need to play Branding right here. I need to play all of my Rage. Yeah. Now, I don't think I can let my... I can't let... I can wait one more turn here, actually, to release Soul Guard. Well, now I can't. I'm just gonna... Fucking stupid-ass card. Stupid dumbass card. Man, I swear to God. Fucking useless. Useless crap, man. Oh, man. That's really disappointing. I hope I'll actually be able to win this. Because my Soul Guard is on a rather fast clock here. A clock that is moving surprisingly fast. I'm playing this for the 1 HP. I really need I need Dominion to die. Because we need to, like, end this fight as soon as we can. We have the damage for it, generally. Okay. Get these out of here. Oh, I keep forgetting about Derange Brute's ability. Okay, Soul Guard's dead here. But so is Savagery. Okay. Oh wait, actually, can he survive? I take less damage on my Deranged Brute if I play like this, so that is a good idea. I need this guy to die, like, really, really soon. He is not this Dominion guy is not dying fast enough. Please die for me. Oh, crap. This guy walks past me. Okay, now he doesn't. Good. Oh my god, please, just die. I think I barely get out of this, but I think my whole floor will just die here. Alright, I need to take my screenshots. Alright, screenshots taken. Alright, goodbye, Deranged Brute. Goodbye, friend. He dies next. Okay, Dominion does die next turn. Woo! Oh god. That was a little bit close. Goodbye, Deranged Brute. You will all live on with honor. I barely got out of that fight. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I just barely got out of that. That is concerning. Well, it's not really concerning because I've won the run, so we have nothing to be concerned about it anymore. We've reached the end of our destination. Now we spoil ourselves. This Soul Guard light, I like that. I like the new Titan Channel Soul Guard a lot. I think he's super cool. That's very exciting. I like this. I like this a lot. That was very enjoyable. Nice. 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 Alright, anyway, that's gonna do it for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.